All right, we're at the Meadows Campground in Luzerne, Michigan. You can see it says Huron National Forest. Looked like there's 9 campsites in there. First come, first serve. Saw 2 pretty clean outhouse style bathrooms. Right here you see a water pump. There are no showers. There are no electrical hookups. Didn't see any of that in there. We just went through and back. If you're curious how to use this campground, you have this method of payment. It's first come, first serve. If you get here and it's full, you're out. Looks like there's some comfortable sites for tents. You make your payment with this, hang this, there's a circular piece on top of this envelope on your windshield mirror. You drop the payment into the box, and there you go. You just leave it there, and when they drive past, they check. You get these, they're here. So there's your proof of payment. If you need maps for the trails, you can see there's nice maps for the trails. And here, it tells you how to do it. It's $10 per night. Occupy your campsite within 30 minutes. Fill out your envelope that I showed you here and have your payment in it. So you detach your stub off of this envelope, as it says in step 3, put your payment in the box, which is there. And if there isn't a post on the site, then just display your payment on your windshield. But there looks like most of the sites there had a post on them but one. So you have a map of the trail system here. Trails have been phenomenal. You can ride right from these campsites. This has just been gorgeous. Highly recommend this. I would love to do this and do a video on it at some point. The Meadows Campground, Luzerne, Michigan, on the Meadows Trail System.
Okay, so you just took a look at the introduction to the Meadows ORV Campground. You can see it on the map here. There's Mayo. As we zoom in, you're going to see Luzerne Express, which is right where Ma Dieter's is. So you wiggle your way in there. You're going to want to follow a navigation and even do a little homework to make sure the roads do take you into this campground. It's a rustic campground. We only saw 13 sites. According to this website, it does say there's 16 single sites. First come, first serve. It's $10 a night when we were there, $5 for the day. And basically, it was a rustic campground, which means there was 3 very clean outhouses for bathrooms, no running water or electric at the sites. And there is 1 pump for, it does say drinking water. We'll show that in the video and in a picture as well. Highly advised coming to this Meadows ORV Campground in Luzerne, Big Creek Township, Michigan. You can see it here. The trails from it are awesome. So you can ride right from it. As we zoom in, and you can see you come in from this way. It's kind of the northwest, or you can come in. And now this way I wouldn't advise driving, but you can go out on your ORVs. And there was a way right in here that shows through a satellite view. So there's 3 ways in and out of riding with trails all around that were excellent. If you've liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel.
Gotta check it out.
Here we go. I'm just going to pan around real quick. Garbage receptacle right there for you. Maybe there's some sites that way. I really don't know.
We're gonna go check.
But right here's one of the outhouses. There was another one just down the road. We did see a group camping down there. They had a pretty big campsite set up. Absolutely beautiful in here. The trails today, I've been kind of giddy riding. The trails are beautiful through Luzerne.
2 vehicles per site, no more than 8 people per site.
And if you want to know if there's room to park a trailer, Bob?
Yes, there is.
Yes, there is.
There's plenty of room. A couple sites were tight, where you might only get 1 vehicle with a trailer, but some of them are huge, so you should have no problem.
It's first come, first serve. So obviously you'd probably want to get here kind of early in the day, but it's definitely not crowded. It's the end of July. I believe it's the last weekend of July.
Last weekend of July, max of 2 vehicles per site. Beautiful sites. If you have a tent, it's great for $10 a night. Clean restrooms. And pumping water if you have a shower bag or something like that. Otherwise, bring your own water.
Yeah,
bring your own food.
There's the water. Again, no hookups at the sites. Rustic. Absolutely beautiful.
So here's the Meadows Campground. It's about 13 sites in here, maybe a little more, but you come in. It's a first come, first serve. So there is site 1 right there. No one's at it. It's a Saturday. Site 1, there's the post. Site 2's post is gone. If the post is gone, then you put something on your car windshield. There's site 3. Try to get up right up to it. See? Site 3 right there. And it just kind of goes up. There's site 4, 5, 5. Now 5 has someone, 6 has someone. 6 has someone, there's bathrooms there. There's site 7. Site 7 is kids spot. Look at that. Site 7's huge. I'm pulling into site 7 because no one's here. If I was here with the group, this is a site I think I'd want, would be site 7. I love it. Site 9. 3 sets of bathrooms. 1 thing of pumpable, potable water. Pumpable, drinkable water. There's a bathroom. You can go out to the trails, H58.3, Luzerne's 9 miles. There's site 10. Kind of got a trail going into it. But hey, got a nice site still. Site 11. All of these sites, 12. That's probably 13. 13's huge. 13 is huge. And you're going to go out, and I am going to start recording right from there, right from where we can go back out into the trails. Meadows Campground, there's site 13. It's a big camper there. 12's over there. Here's one of the camp bathrooms. So it's a rustic campground, very clean. So you can see here, it's very clean. You have clean outhouses, 1 pump for water, $10 a night, nice place. Meadows Campground. You can see here, we're coming right in off the trail. It's a rustic campground. There's a restroom there. There's a couple of them. You're gonna see a little post out. We'll go by one now. There's somebody camping there. I'll see if I can get it here. There's site 12. Looks to me there's about 13 sites. There's a site there. First come, first serve, $10 a night. There's site 11. So that one there is probably 13. This is 11. So we'll go on in. We're in the Meadows Campground. This is a big time spot for riding. Now we're going the wrong way. So I went kind of through someone's site here. And that was site 10. Nobody's here, so it wasn't really their site. This way leads out to the trails also. H58.3, it says Luzerne is 9 miles. It takes no time to get there. Another bathroom right there. Here's the information center and the water. There's the potable water. It is drinking water. Garbage is here. Stay on the trail, how you pay, everything right here. See the restrooms. Now you can see these posts, but they're facing the other way. That's campsite 9. If I'm not mistaken, this one was 7. It's huge. 7's huge. There's 8. Oh, another restroom. So there's 3 sets of restrooms. Awesome place, man. Just awesome.
Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to watch our other videos riding on these Meadows trails or riding in or out of the campground. Please feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel.